Hi YouTube, this is President Michael, and what I'm going to do is another box break. This is Topps Update Series 2015 Baseball. I'm going to open it on camera. Got it at Walmart, it was on sale. And I'm going to show you what I got, and hopefully I got some really good. Okay, open. Got 10 pellet packs plus one exclusive first home run commemorative card inside. So let's see if it was worth it. Packs. Look at the home run card pack. It's this. Pretty cool. Congratulations, you just received a first home run commemorative medallion card celebrating the first home run of Willie Mays. On May 28, 1951 at the Polo Grounds. Nice little medallion in there. This thing's thick, it's like a brick. A few more of these, you could build a house. Okay, pack 1 of 10. I'm not going to go through all the players I got. Just wouldn't make much sense. But a couple, Guire. Mike Trout, Dave Phelps, Matt Kemp, Ryan Braun, John Lester. So, some pretty good players. Okay, pack 2. Let's see. No, Mark Lowe, Bryce Harper, the Willie Mays card. And no one else too special. It's like generally commons. Pack 3. Cameron Maybin. It's pretty cool. I actually met him a long time ago now when he was in the minors. Neat looking card, Mike Napoli. Nothing else too special. I said I'm not going to go through each card and show each card because it'll just take too long. Generally, Albert Pujols. Cool looking Randy Johnson one. Edwin Encarnacion or something like that. This is a cool looking card. Yeah, generally common, nothing too special, at least I don't think. I got a lot of baseball cards, I'm not exactly an expert. I've been collecting them for more years than I care to admit. Oh, Marlon Byrd. That's nice. Actually, I think I might have met him. I'm not sure. Ash Shrubito Cabrera, I know I'm saying it wrong. I met him years ago, I think. Oh, okay. Only about 5 minutes. I'm going to take up too much time showing this. Oh, man. This is a nice one. A little shiny, that one. D.D. Gregorius. Came through Sarasota in 09. So I might have met him. Maybe. Other than that, mainly commons other than him. Okay. Tell me next time if you want me to show more cards from each pack. Like I said, they're mainly not too interesting. You never know, you always get something good. Mainly commons. Yeah, mainly commons again. Let's see what grams from 2006 or 2016. I mean, wait a minute. This one's cool. Yep, it's a numbered card, gold one. This is Jason Frazier for the Atlanta Braves. This is numbered 796 of 2015. It's the gold ones. Let's see. I don't know if you can see it. This is pretty cool. Better put that one separate. That one was McGuire cards. Any comments for that one? Okay, 2 left. Wish me luck. It wasn't signed or game used in this one. This is cool. Pete Gray with the St. Louis Browns. Older player. 1945, Pete was the first Major League Baseball player to play with one arm, opening the door for other major leaguers with physical challenges. Racking up 51 hits in his 77 Major League Baseball games, Gray was an inspiration to veterans with disabilities returned from World War II. I might actually have his autograph. I'd have to check. Other than that, mainly commons, David Price, Andrew Heaney, Clint Barnes, Eric Sogard, Jeremy Jeffries. Alright. Last one. And again, this is the 2015 Update Series, Topps Baseball. There's 10 cards per pack. Has Chris Bryant on the pack and on the box. Alright, wish me luck. Nah, mainly just commons. Okay, that's it. If you have any comments or questions, please put them below. I'm always happy to answer questions, and I look forward to talking to you again soon, YouTube. Bye, everybody. Bye.